In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop audio peaking in Premiere Pro. So I'm going to play this video right now and we're going to see it peaking. So make sure you look to the right and then I'll show you how to fix it. So I'm going to play the video now. Here is a video example where the audio should be peaking. If it's peaking, and you can see if it's red here, it's obviously peaking and it's not good. Now you can fix this and you can tone it down a little bit and I'm going to show you how. Now I'm no expert, I'm just a YouTuber that's used Premiere, but I'm going to show you how I would do it. So you need to go and look for your audio controls. So go ahead and click and just find effects. You should have effects. If not, go to window and then look for effects. You're looking for effects. And then if you go to audio effects, you're going to see all of the audio effects that you've got. Now, one thing that you can do is you can go ahead and add a hard limiter. So if you just type in hard limiter in the effects search bar, you'll be able to see it, hard limiter. If you drag that onto your clip, it then should stop the peaking. You might have to combine the hard limiter though with turning the levels down a little bit. So we'll first just see if it's changed anything with the hard limiter. So now we'll play it and we're looking for it to not peak. Here is a video example where the audio should be peaking. If it's peaking, and there you go, the hard limiter did the job for me. It's still going into the red, but it isn't peaking like super high into the red. So that is one solution. The other solution is if you click on your clip, you need to go into Effect Controls. Again, if you don't have it, go to Window, Effect Controls. Then scroll down, and here you've got Level. You can actually turn this down or slide it down. Maybe you just want to go -5. And then if you play your clip, it will turn obviously the level down by -5. So now if you look to the right, it should be around -6. Example where the audio should be peaking. So those are just some things you can do. Play around with those. You have other audio effects as well, but hard limiter and turning the level down should get the job done. I hope that helped.